Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. So today I will explain about the assignment mathematics for mechanical. Title is waste management is hotel. So our school members is, first my name is Muhammad Haikal bin Azrin, and my friend is Muhammad Akli Azim bin Rizwan, Hud bin Cik Ahmad Yusri, and Muhammad Haziq Farihin bin Mat Razi.
So I will present our group assignment. For each member of our group has their own responsibility to ensure that our project runs smoothly. So for problem identification, our group member work together. So firstly, Haziq is responsible for creating the Ishikawa diagram, and Haikal and Akli develop survey question and distribute them, and then data analysis is done by Haziq and Akli using Excel. So our group member propose the best eco-friendly innovation. So for the justification and finding of this report, Haziq and I work together. The canvas slide are designed by Akli and Haikal, while the video editing part is handled by Akli and I. Finally, the final reviews and submission will be done by Haziq and Haikal.
Okay, next I will tell about the Ishikawa diagram. So we got a 6 problem why the trash not be managed properly in hostel. Okay, so we got a process and method. First, not clear with segregation procedure. Second, inconsistent with collection schedule. Third, no sign or instruction near bins. Okay, for the second, environment, inconvenience bin placement, dirt and overflowing bins, poor ventilation in disposal area. Okay, for the third, human, lack of awareness about recycling, indifference or laziness, poor habitat form over time. Okay, for the fourth, no training management from the management, no training or camping from resident, limited budget for waste management, no enforce or of sustainability police. Okay, for the five, technology and machine, no separate bins for different waste types, lack of smart waste monitoring tools, inefficiency waste disposal system. Okay, for the six, measurement, no tracking of waste volume or types, no feedback on recycling performance, no data to evaluate improvement.
So I will present about data collection method. So in this slide, we will know how we collect the data from the student. So one of the key method is research design. So the purpose of research design is to examine waste management practice, awareness and attitude among the student. So this design focus to identify recycling behavior patterns, evaluate effectiveness of current system and explore improvement opportunity. So our approach is to cross-sectional data collected at one point in time. So from this design, we know what is the best question to collect from our student. So next point is population and sampling. So our target population is student residing in KKTM content hostel. So we take from various semester, department like DKA, DKI, DKN, DKP and DKQ, and also gender. So we have male and female. So in hostel we have Mat Kilau and Tun Perak for males and Tun Teja for female. So to our next slide. So third point, we have data collection instrument. So we have 3 sections in our Microsoft form. So first section is demographic information. So we take our information, personal information from our student like names, semester, department and gender. So in section 2, we have behavior and perception question. So in this section, the student must rate from 1 to 5 for each question to measure the frequency of recycling habit visibility of signage, bin usage, and management involvement. So after the student finish section 1 and 2, we will go to section 3, which is open-ended feedback. So in this section, we open to the student to suggest about innovation that they can give. So they will provide, share their thoughts and suggest innovation to improve waste management in hostel. So in last point, data collection procedure. So we conduct over 2 weeks using Google Form. So we share this Google Form via WhatsApp group, student representative network, and hostel group, and in hostel group. So student inform about study purpose and encouraged to respond based on personal experience. So this question, we also tell the student about education have open and closed section. So we not just mention it in our Google Form, but we also mention in the group before they want to answer this Google Form.
Okay, next for the finding, we ask several questions to the KKTM Kuantan student. So basically, first important thing we ask about their semester, department, and gender. Okay, for the semester, mostly the respondent from the semester 3 and some of the semester 1 and some of the semester 5. Okay, for the department, mostly the respondent from the department DKI and some of them are DKA, DKN, DKP and DKQ. Just about 10% of them. Okay, for the gender, we 73% from the male and 27% from women.
Okay, for survey question, we got a skala Likert for 1 to the 5. So 1 is never, 2 is rarely, 3 is sometimes, and 4 is often, lastly 5 is always. So for the question 1 is, how often do you separate your trash into the plastic, paper and food waste? So majority vote 3, 29.7%. And then second question is, how often do you encourage others to separate their waste? So majority vote 4, 27%. And then, how often do you see clear instruction or sign waste separation in the hostel? So majority vote 4 and 5. So for 4 is 21.6%, and then for 5 is 21.6%. So for next question is, how often do you follow a specific method or routine for disposing of waste? So majority vote 3, 37.8%. So okay, so we continue. The next question is, how often do you use separate bins for different type of waste? So majority student vote 3, 29.7%. And then next question is, how often do you find the bins functional and easy to use? So majority vote 5 in the college, 37.8%. And then next question is, how often does hostel management remind or promote proper waste separation? So majority student vote 3, 32.4%. And then for the next question is, how often are there event or campaign related to sustainability in your hostel? So majority student, we see vote is number 2, 27%. After that, for the question, survey question is, how often do you receive feedback or update on hostel waste management performance? So we got majority is 5, 34.3% student vote. And then next question is, how often do you feel your recycling effort being tracked or measured? So mostly student vote 3, 32.4%. And then the next question is, how often do you find the waste bins conveniently located near your room or common areas. So we got majority vote 35.1%. And last question is, how often are the bins clean and then not overflowing? So majority student vote 40.5%.
Let's move on to our innovation side. Based on survey feedback, number one is which is automatically direct to correct compartment. For example, food waste goes to a composting unit, while plastic and metal go to recycling bins. From the segregation is very smart because this innovation help reduce manual sorting and encourage proper waste separation. Okay, answer number 2 is I will prepare recycle bins on the hostel corner for me. This make is easy for students to separate their trash, plastic, paper and metal. And it's promote daily recycling habit among hostel residents. The last answer, make camping about 3 hours in hostel. Very clever idea that he shared because it spread awareness about waste management to poster, video and talk. The goal is to encourage students to be more responsible with their waste. That's all for me.